I'm Karen Hennessy. It is my privilege to spend a few minutes with you as we near the end of our journey through the Premium Starter Kit. I hope you've enjoyed learning about each of the oils and the other items that came in your box. As you know, you have a tool chest of beautiful, natural, therapeutic essential oils to use for a myriad of reasons as you move toward a healthier lifestyle. At this point, you are already realizing many benefits of your Young Living oils. The Ninja Red and the Thieves Cleaner and whatever other products you chose when you ordered your kit. You've been told about the secret compartment at the bottom of your starter kit box, the one that holds those lovely pouches of goodness called Ninja Red, the brightening Thieves Cleaner, and the rollerball fitment that you get to put on any of the oils you choose. There are a few more things in that secret compartment, and unfortunately, these are often overlooked. Today, I am going to introduce you to those. Love It, Share It, Repeat is one of my favorite parts of our Young Living Starter Kit because it takes us the next step past learning about and loving our essential oils in Young Living, and it makes it really easy for us to help others start their own journey towards wellness, purpose, and abundance. This is where the real excitement to our adventure begins. When we love our Young Living essential oils and the life-changing benefits they provide, we cannot help but share them with others. In our kits, we have 10 of these little sample bottles. I like to call them share bottles, and 10 oil intro cards. Each card includes a description of the oil and a few ideas how to use it. This is great because if the person you shared with gets home and can't remember what you said, they are less likely to try that oil. With instructions and ideas in front of them, they can confidently try it out in different ways. Pop out the corner of the card, making a hole to fit the share bottles, put them together, and you have an attractive little gift. On the back of the card is a space for you to put your information. Name, member number, and phone number is what I suggest, so that it's easy for your now excited person to get back with you to answer any questions and to get them started. Be sure to check back with those to whom you've given these special samples. You've introduced them to essential oils, and now they will be eager to know more. But life gets busy for all of us, and sometimes they forget or they put it off. It's up to you to call or text them to find out what they thought. Arrange to meet with them to help them sign up or guide them through signing up on the phone. As you know, the sign-up process is not difficult, but since it is unfamiliar, it's always good to be there if there are any questions as they move through the sign-up screens. Our team has many classes where you can plug people in both before and after they sign up. In fact, I hope you are taking advantage of these classes for yourself. It's so much fun to meet with other Young Living members for ideas, learning, and fellowship. We're a community, a family, and that's one of the best parts of this journey. Now step 3, repeat. You have helped one person or family move toward their goals. Now go out and help another. It's exciting, it's satisfying, it is what we should be doing, helping each other in this journey of life. With Young Living, we've been given a great way to do that. Through this Love It, Share It, Repeat process, Young Living loves to reward us. Every time you sign up a new member with a Premium Starter Kit, Young Living pays you $50. This is the combination of 2 bonuses, the Starter Kit bonus and the Fast Start bonus, but we like to call it our referral bonus because that's pretty much what it is. As you continue to share Young Living, you will begin to pay for your oils and can even earn a pretty generous paycheck. How generous? Check out our income disclosure statement on the Young Living website to see what people are earning right now. Get with the person who introduced you to Young Living and got you started for all the details of the compensation plan, or see all those details written out in your virtual office on the Young Living website. Both links to the income disclosure statement and the compensation plan are listed in the comments below. So use those share bottles. Love it, share it, repeat, and earn money to pay for your oils, to supplement your income, or to become your primary income, and to give generously to places where your heart sees needs you want to help meet. Enjoy your oils, enjoy your day, and enjoy all the excitement of an oily life with Young Living and the journey you are on. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.